Bikenda laser pen review. Does it really work? Bikenda laser pen review. Does it really work? Laser pens like the Bikenda model are gaining popularity for various uses, from presentations to minor dye projects. Most people get this wrong by expecting professional grade results from a small, consumer device. The surprising truth is that it works for specific tasks, but it's not a replacement for industrial tools. You won't believe what happens next. The Bikenda laser pen emits a focused beam of light suitable for pointing, ISIC engraving on soft materials, or simple experiments. Users praise its portability, battery life, and ease of use. Safety is important. Avoid pointing the laser at eyes or reflective surfaces to prevent injuries. While it performs well for everyday uses, it is not suitable for heavy-duty cutting or professional laser applications. It's ideal for students, hobbyists, or casual presenter. Always follow the included safety guidelines to maximize benefits and avoid accidents. In conclusion, the Bikenda laser pen works effectively for small-scale applications and everyday tasks. It's portable, user-friendly, and safe when used correctly, making it a handy tool for hobbyists, teachers, or anyone needing a compact laser pointer.